Alright, what's going on, guys? So I haven't been vlogging for like a whole week because my truck has been down, but today I'm gonna get it fixed. I just got back. Well, I'm on my way home from AutoZone. I went to go get that center bearing for my drive shaft and some other goodies because there's a lot of work that I need to do to that damn truck. So I'm on my way back home. Gonna get started with the truck. If you watched the last vlog, you should know what I'm about to do in this vlog. I might be welding the... Nah, I won't be welding the diff because a lot of people locally I don't know a lot of people locally that know how to do it. And I personally don't know how to do it. So I'm gonna just call it quits and just not do that shit. I mean, I still do burnouts good. I still drift good. So it's not a necessity right now. In the future, I might though. But apart from that, we'll definitely be doing the leaf springs today. We're gonna be doing the leaf springs. We got to change that so I can get more low. And I got to change my header. Well, I got to fix a leak on my headers. So that's what we're gonna be doing today. So stay tuned. So we're heading back now. Got all the goodies in the back. The jack and the roller. My last vlogs, I haven't really been explaining a lot while I'm doing what I'm doing. So today I'm gonna try my best to explain everything in full detail. Up in my driveway, both my babies parked up. The first thing and most least important thing is the leaf spring that I'm about to be deleting. It's almost touching the ground already, but I really don't give a I'm about to take this center leaf spring out so the truck could go like an inch or two lower. And just for those who don't know how to take the center leaf spring out, let me explain. There's a bracket holding it right here, and then you got 4 bolts on the U-joint. You gotta take those 4 bolts out, and these 2 clips, there's one on this side and one on this side, and then you should be straight. I'm really hoping I don't have to take the freaking strut off because I do not want to break anything, but that's how you take the central leaf spring out. So while I'm under here, I might as well show you what the center bearing is. Center support bearing, whatever. This is it right here. It's all cracked up, causing the drive shaft to be like this. It's all loose, so I literally can't do shit. I can't drive it, none of that. So what I'm about to do, I'm about to replace this thing. And while I'm under the car, I figure out why emergency brake is not working, because the wires popped right there. That's for another day. All right, I got like 2 bolts out. I need to get like 2 more out, so let's get it. Josh pulling out right now. Hey. Your bumper look nice, bro. Got the drive shaft out. My man Josh taking that shit off. Then I'm gonna grab the new center bearing and put that shit in. Right. This is the new one. This is the old shit. All ripped up. All ripped up. Yo, every time you pull out, you play this damn song. Josh, son. Yo. On his life. Alright. In the side. Oh.
Mad disrespect.
All those popped and I just start that shit.
Oh, this shit sound nice in the back. Yeah, do you guys sell turbos here? Hi, do you guys sell turbos here?
They probably sell the turbo sound thing. Got you vlogging.
Vlog life.
So
Import nation shit.
I forgot I had to spray my bumper on my Civic. So we getting paint for that. And then we gotta get shit to take that dumbass bearing off the drive shaft because it's being stubborn.
Stubborn as Stopping in what?
And then do it over.
Nah, it's vlog life.
Primer, bro.
I need primer.
No cutscenes.
Get primer right here. But is this for the bumper light?
Yo, you need this?
To sell what?
That trash ass Civic.
Sound dumb, nigga. My Civic will blow your ass out.
Never.
Eat that shit up.
So, Mario drives a bass. Yo, bro, some SI seats for your car. You want some SI seats, bro?
You know, we rich. We got fives and we got ones. We got all you need, you know? Car parts don't buy itself.
Never. Mario's broke. Damn, yo, where's Quasi when you need him?
We don't need fucking. Might have need him early, but
Nah, we need him, nigga. We don't got no bread.
he about to beat your ass when he see that.
It's like, I'm just joking, yo. I'm just joking. I'm really just kidding.
I'm telling you, you f***ed up this whole video. You gonna have to start that whole shit.
Yo, just cut the scene.
No, nigga, cause when I recorded,
Yo, first of all, don't touch my fucking
shut the fuck
don't
up,
touch my
nigga.
camera. I had it landscape the whole time.
Nah, fuck up.
Shut up.
If y'all want some dikes, and
Come to East Hartford, Connecticut.
and yeah, y'all ladies looking for some dikes, got some right here.
Yo, that nigga got a bald ass head over there.
Crimping and cutting.
You have money.
Fire, bro. Fire? Yeah.
Listen. Listen here. You don't have money.
I'm broke as shit now.
Oh yeah, yeah. Oh yeah, 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 yeah. Oh yeah, yeah. Girl, I shouldn't have bailed. Now got your heart flying up like a scale. Reminiscing the past, wishing that I'll get it back like the mail. I try every time, but for some reason I just keep on failing. I'd rather lose every time than to be without you, baby girl, cause that's a whole lot of pain. You ain't gotta tell me, cause I know it ain't the same. Working for brighter days, I got no time for games. So just let me love you, let me show you how much that I want you. Because them other niggas don't love you like I do, and you know this, girl.
Watch yourself. Don't go any stand better than your phone.
I know, I'm just looking, nigga. You think I'm about to let this shit fall on me, nigga?
No. That'll be looking good for your vlog.
Huh?
That will look good for your vlog, do it.
Yeah, I should let it fall on me. I'll get more views.
No! Hell no!
Jackass dies walking. Trying to cut off a muffler.
No!
Let's take some meds and heal the wound. Dance for the pain while I'm beating you. Cause I know it'll work. I messed up, you don't deserve it.
I'm about to break this shit, bro. Oh, this shit heavy as fuck for no reason.
Finally got it out after 30 years.
If it wanna come out,
You should just put it up to the bottom.
bro, there's no space. You see how
no
big the
space.
head is?
You gotta wiggle that out.
You ain't take the dick stick out? Strong ass nigga.
Piece of shit. Fucking dumbass. Fucking drift truck. Drift truck, nerd.
Start it up like this.
It won't
Oh my
start.
god, you know what you would do, bro?
It won't start. There's no O2 sensor.
Saying,
Plug it in.
Shit.
Alright, now go pick it up. Before your grandma beat your
you took off
ass.
the wrong side. Damn, bro, you gonna need new gaskets because you tore them shits up. But anyway,
How I'm about to get new ones?
from the store.
They don't sell these shits in the store.
So where you gotta go?
Online.
Where we gotta go?
eBay.
About to use some shits over.
Come on, let's go. eBay, let's go. Let's go to eBay. That's what we gonna do it. Nigga, let's buy headers, nigga.
Long too
Do you have money to buy headers, my nigga?
Yeah, this nigga trying to build his car like 24 hours and ain't no rich white kid. Now he lost his school.
Gerald, y'all could get me that. Shut the up.
Yeah, you gotta delete that video, cause I done said some racial shit.
Hella subscribers.
Nah, I'm about to cut that out. Okay, guys, if you're ever wondering where to go to get your exhaust jobs done, this place right here is the best place to go. They'll hook you up. They definitely hook me up every time I come here and every car that I bring here. Manchester Muffler is the place to go, guys. Okay, so Manchester Muffler hooked me up, got my header fixed. So now I'm about to throw it on the truck, see how it sounds, and I'll be back tomorrow to put my drive shaft in. Like, I really love the fact that when you're in the car community and you get to meet new people, they help you out in tremendous ways. I know I didn't get to do the leaf spring today, guys, but I'm definitely doing it tomorrow. The sun went away too quick and I got cold, so tomorrow I'll definitely be doing that. If you guys like this video, let me know. If you didn't like this video, let me know in the comment section down below. All right, I'm out.
Oh yeah, yeah. Oh yeah, yeah, yeah.